Hello everyone. Wanted to give some commentary on my recent stay at Disney's Boardwalk Inn Resort. This was actually my first stay at the Boardwalk. I've never been able to stay at this deluxe resort before. This was a whole brand new experience. I'm gonna go right into the lobby. My room was in a very convenient location. This little hallway here is directly off the lobby. A little bit of artwork reminiscent of the boardwalk itself. The beach club has similar artwork, and I always enjoy looking at that. Right over here was the little boardwalk games, which many of them do actually work. The elevator bank is near this area as well. Down these stairways is a way to get onto the boardwalk, and directly across is the Bellevue Lounge. Now, as I turn here, that hallway straight ahead, that is where my room was located, and showing you again where the lobby was. Now, heading down the hallway, here we go on into the room. These were recently refurbished, brand new Boardwalk Inn design, and I really enjoyed it. Lots of Disney touches, as you'll see, and I'll point out. One of my favorites is a little hidden Pluto right here. There is the mini fridge. Not a fan of those. They're mainly coolers, not really mini fridges. But here we are on into the room. Lots of space. Bright, airy design. And again, this is all brand new. I really enjoyed this little vintage touch that was very Disney. This is more reminiscent of the 90s Disney resort touches that the Disney parks used to embrace. So I'm glad to see a return to that. Another view of the room here. Heading on in. Closer look at the bedside table and the light fixtures. Nice high ceilings. This artwork over the couch, which did fold out, by the way, into another bed. Bit more Mickey, Minnie, Goofy artwork. And all just like the boardwalk right outside. Moving over here to the curtains. I love the little hidden details in Disney curtains. Glad to see they're bringing that back a little bit. Had cameos of the Fab Five. We were on the second floor, which was technically the first floor. Not really a view to speak of, so I skipped it. All right. Nice big updated TV. Now moving into the hallway. Take a look at the storage. I was really impressed with how much storage that this room provided. Lots of shelves, multiple full-length mirrors, as you can see. Extra pillow and blanket. Yeah, lots of room. Here is the other closet. Save hair dryer and a steamer was included. Closer look at that there. All right, moving into the bathroom. Close-up of sink and the faucet. This is one of the first times that the H2O products were mostly gone. There is one bottle there, but everything has the new Disney label, but it's still the same H2O products. And another cute little boardwalk artwork here. Moving deeper into the bathroom, take a good look at the shower. The shower was actually really, really nice. It wasn't the more the updated shower heads you see in some of the other deluxes, but I actually like this one better. So the shower and the water pressure was a huge win. Okay, going outside the resort, going to show you how to kind of entering in from the boardwalk itself. Here we go on into the main lobby. And during the middle of the day, we had Disney characters who would drop by. Wasn't very crowded on this day, so Donald entertained some of the cast members, as you can see. It was a nice surprise for anyone just coming through the lobby. Nighttime look at the boardwalk. The Swan and Dolphin over there, and on over to the Yacht and Beach Club. And then back in the lobby at night, show you some of the familiar icons of the boardwalk, including the infamous nanny chairs. In my opinion, I think there are better Disney deluxe resorts than the boardwalk. I love the location, I love the theming, it's incredibly immersive, I love the new touches. However, the quality, not quite up to the standards of other Disney deluxes, and the walls were not very thick. I could hear pretty much everything happening around me into the night. I could hear the rooms next to me, I could hear the lounge around the corner. I could hear people going back to their rooms at night, and since this is a deluxe for a deluxe price, that was kind of disappointing. Also, one downside is you have to go outside to enjoy the resort's dining and shopping. There really isn't a food court. There is a coffee shop, but it's only open until I think like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So if it's inclement weather or you have tired kids, I think this could be a bit of a problem. So overall, it's not a bad choice. However, if you're faced with the other Disney Deluxes or the Beach Club across the way, I would probably go with the Disney's Beach Club Resort over the Boardwalk.